How to log in to Bigo Live account. So if you want to log in to Bigo Live account, then first of all open up your Play Store and then make sure to install the application. To install, on the search bar, search for Bigo. And here you will have the application. You can simply tap on install, and after installing you can tap on open. And now to log in, you can choose any one of these. You can log in with your phone number, or you can log in with your Facebook or Google or Twitter or your VK account, or you can also log in with your Apple. So I'll be choosing phone number. Here first you have to choose your country code, and after choosing your country, then you can simply enter your phone number. And after entering your phone number, you can tap on next, and then here you have to enter your password. Or you can also log in with a call. Bigo will call you, and then after accepting or rejecting the call, you will be logged into your account. But for now I'll be entering my password, and after entering the password, tap on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Bigo Live account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.